Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and we are here in the fabulous Doug and Nikki Technology Studio, where today we are reviewing a very important beginner drone. I am excited about this. This is like a first drone. This is the Holystone HS210 drone. Let's open it up. I'm gonna unbox it, test it out, then review it, and then I'm gonna give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know how good or not good this particular drone is. I'm excited about it. Let's check it out. I have never had one of these like indoor ultra beginner kind of drones, so I'm excited to drive Nikki crazy, buzzing around the house with it. If it looks like it has been opened, that is because this is my second time through this unboxing, because the first time I forgot to turn on the microphone. So let's take a look at it just so you can see how cool is this little drone. That is just incredible in my world that this could be a drone that flies. I can't wait to put it up and fly it. It actually comes with 3 of these batteries, which give you about a 7 minute flight time. I have 2 of them inside charging now so that we could fly it. Comes with spare propellers, which honestly, it's very hard to actually break the propellers because as you can see, it's ducted if you were to hit the wall or something. But I do understand you could have 1 or 2 pop off. So you have replacements. These are tools to replace them if you needed to do that. This is a cap for the charger, which is inside. It's a USB. I will show you that separately. And then this here is the remote. Oh, another key little feature that it comes with its own little screwdriver so you can open and close the remote. All right, so let's talk about the remote itself. So the remote obviously has these self-centering directional controls, which is really cool. So it will like hover on its own. This button is the takeoff button. So that starts the motors, and then you give it a little power and it will take off and then hover in that relative area because these are centered. This is what they call a headless mode. So if you press that, the direction, the orientation of the drone won't change as it flies. Here is a speed button. There are 3 different options for a slow mode where it's nice and calm, a medium mode where it's normal speed, and then a high performance mode where it really rips around. And speaking of ripping around, if you want to do something fun, all you got to do is press this button and it does a 360 flip. How fun is that? We are going to have some serious fun. Let me tell you about some key features of it. It has 3 speed modes for all different skill levels. It's easy to start, it's easy to stop, it has a low battery warning. It has motor protection, so when you crash it, it doesn't fry the motors. And oh yeah, those ducted fans, you can see it rubbing against the mirror there. It's not gonna mar up the walls, it's not gonna hurt your hands if you're playing with kids around, that kind of thing. It will hold its altitude as you see, and it has 3D flips. I don't know what else to say. I have had a ton of fun with this. Let's finish this up and talk about it. Okay, that thing was so fun to fly. So for the purposes of my Doug score, I'm gonna have to amend my rating tiers for this awesome drone. I'm gonna have to give it 4 blades out of 4 blades for a perfect score. We'll see you next time.